Hi everyone, my name is Madison Taylor and we are back this week with another how to style series. So in this video, we're going to be discussing everything cargo pants. So myself, I've actually been wearing a lot of cargo pants lately. I know it's a trendy item that's come in and out of fashion, but I've actually been wearing a lot of these pants lately and I see them all the time in different stores at different price points. If you want like a satin material, traditional cargo, whatever it is, you definitely see cargo pants everywhere. Myself, I like the more silky ones that kind of feel like you almost have a pair of sweatpants on, but not really. I just find them to be super comfortable and a great option to pair if you're looking to elevate a basic outfit and usually wear for like a walking around the mall or a night out. That's typically how I style them. So I'm going to give you a couple different options to go ahead and style using items that you already have in your wardrobe, and you could take inspiration from these. But without a doubt, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So in styling cargo pants, there's basically kind of two different pants that I have. Both are made of these silky materials. And right now, because they are trending, you can find them in many different places, many different materials, all the way from silk to your traditional cargo, you name it, they come in it. But the pants I have on here are by Rachel Zoe, and they're in these kind of like bluish gray color. And the most basic way that I style this is essentially a great basic tank top and the pants and a pair of chunky shoes. So I either wear tennis shoes with this or my chunky loafers, but this is a great option you can throw on. It's very comfortable. You can go out in it and it looks very put together. But again, this is how I would style any kind of pair of cargo pants with just great basics. This is the front of the outfit and this is the back, so you can take a look. But essentially, again, just some great pair of chunky platforms and some of the cargo pants itself. So again, a great outfit that you can style with basically anything that you need to. As we make the transition from super hot weather in the summer to a little bit cooler temperatures, another great way that you could wear your cargo pants is, of course, with a sweater. So you can do oversized sweater, cardigan, whatever you want. It's a great layering option that you can pair, and depending on the season, again, you can take it off if you want to just layer the outfit. But this is essentially the same base with my cargo pants by Rachel Zoe and my chunky heels, because I think they just go with everything and they're really easy to wear and transition with different outfits. But again, you can see that I paired it with my sweater. I did metallic. Again, you can tone it down depending on what you want to do, but I have on this metallic silver sweater, but you can basically wear any shade, any color, but this is essentially to give you the idea of what it looks like. But this is the front, and then this is the back. But again, a really great option if you are going to transition your wardrobe. And this is just what I would wear. Again, transition, super easy to throw on and looks very cute and colorful together. Let's go ahead and talk about layering your cargo pants. So essentially you want to start with the basics. Again, your basic cargo pants, your shoes of your choosing, and I like to pair mine with just an everyday basic white t-shirt. So you can definitely embellish it, add a little something to your white t-shirt, but again, start with the basics. And depending on where you're going, if you're traveling, if you're walking around the city, you want to have a great outerwear layering piece. So this could be a denim jacket, and in my case, I want to show you what I would wear with a leather jacket. But pretend it's really cold out and you're traveling. You know, you're walking around town. It got a little chilly out. This is what I would wear. Is just throw on a great leather jacket, white t-shirt, the cargo pants, and again your shoes of your choosing. But this is the front of it. And then this is the back of outfit, but you can see how just adding a layer to your outfit essentially adds something special to your cargo pants. And again, you could take any form of jacket or whatever you please and add it to your outfit that really elevates your cargo pants. In terms of cargo pants, this is actually my second pair that I own. And again, it is in the champagne color with the satin material and the big pockets. But cargo pants come in many different materials, sizes, colors, you name it. These are just the two pair that I like and gravitate towards. So in terms of this outfit, how I would style it is exactly that. Get your basics down. So with myself, I paired it with a basic turtleneck in black, and the interesting detail on this, it has a cutaway over here, but you can style it with any different turtleneck, and it is a great transition piece, especially since we're going into fall and it's going to get a little chillier out. So this is just how I would style it. You can wear with, again, any boot, tennis shoe, you name it, you can style it. But myself, I again gravitate towards more of a chunky heel with these and a flat versus a heel. But again, you can definitely wear a heel with any sort of outfit. But this is the front of the outfit, and then this is the back of it. But again, we want to take the concept of combining your cargo pants with wardrobe basics that you already have, which in every person's wardrobe, you should definitely own a turtleneck, regardless of the weather. I live in Miami. It is hot out, but I still love turtlenecks and wear them all the time. But this is how I would go ahead and style the cargo pants in this outfit in particular. With this outfit, there's basically two different ways I want to show you how to layer your pieces together and wear your cargo pants. So on top over here, I have this tank top by Reformation, which kind of gives the illusion of a corset style. So if you do have a corset top, they are very trendy, they are very popular. Right now, this would be a great option to wear with your cargo pants. You can either tuck it in or wear it just by itself. But how I would style this is with a leather blazer if you have a corset top. Another great trendy item that's happening. But this is an oversized one by Mango, but you could see the color combination, how well it pairs, especially if you have a tighter top underneath to fit with the looser cargo pants. But I really like the illusion it gives because of a baggier fit. But this is another great option that you can wear with your cargo boots. And again, you can go ahead and style it with different options. If you want to wear, instead of a leather jacket, you want to pair it with something else, feel free to. But this again is just how I would go ahead and style it, using the cargo pants and a leather jacket together. So much for watching. Once again, my name is Madison Taylor. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channels. As we do this on a weekly basis, we post different videos depending on different outfits, different reviews, anything and everything fashion related we post on this channel. I'd love to hear from you guys. Please leave a comment down below. How do you wear your cargo pants? What do you style them with? Different blazers, different tops, different bottoms. However you style your cargo pants, we'd love to hear from you guys to help each other out. Thank you guys again for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care now.